Alright, today is the day I clean the starter. So this isn't quite a rebuild, but you're cleaning it. Say your new starter doesn't come in a couple days and you're trying to get on the water right now. Alright, so first there's two 8mm bolts here. I already took them out. And then this is going to come apart. Don't lose that. Keep it all together. Alright, now this is all magnetic down here. This is the part we need to get to. Just pull that apart there. Notice these are what we need to clean, each one of these. Because that's our problem. They're stuck. They don't move. They don't move for anything. So we're going to have to break them free here. Alright. So the inside of this is all magnetic. We're going to push it out. Maybe. Now we're going to have to try and get this part here out. Looks like that. So now that we got that out, don't lose your gaskets. Don't lose your gaskets on this thing either. Those are important. Alright, so now we're going to tap each one of these through. Notice they're all stuck. And when I put it back together, I'm not going to use any sort of anti-seize because I've tried it and it makes them stick before you even get them into start. So don't do it. What I'm going to do here is take this screwdriver, just give it a little love tap through. There's two. Three. Fourth one already fell out. Alright, so notice after you tap them, they all fall out of their spot. Alright, I'm back. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get all them out of there. There's my little screwdriver I used to get them out. I want to get it out of there, all of them. This little gun cleaner is probably going to work best, but you don't want to super scrub it because you don't want to bend the crap out of those because you still got to put your still got to get those back inside of there the way they came out. So then you're going to spray them, scrub them. Oh, they're dirty. Alright, so I'm just going to scrub those out. Alright, so I got it all apart, scrubbed them out, the handy little gun cleaner. Now I'm just going to spray them all, get them all nice and clean. Alright, make sure you don't lose that O-ring, probably get it out of there. Then you're just going to want to gotta make sure they go in the way they came out, but each one has its own spot. Just get them in there one by one. Let's see how much they move now. And I had to punch them out. So try and get them all in their respective spot. That one's still kind of sticky. But that one's moving real free, nice. And they might not all stay in. They're definitely not all going to stay in with my one hand. So I'm going to try and get all these in here. And I'll be back to show you what I did here. And there it is. All back together. All you had to do, throw your gaskets in, bring them together, put your two 8mm bolts in. Voila. Now the next video will be how to install it back into the jet ski.